Starting around 02 July 2023, Chiliz essentially is exchanging at $0.078 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.27% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. CHZ really has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $544,781,402, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $32,554,664 in an in every practical sense significant way. This basically makes Chiliz, CHZ, kind of positioning at 73 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz in a real sense be in every practical sense worth in 2023 amazingly? Is Chiliz a genuinely wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will CHZ cost essentially outperform its unsurpassed high? Or so they really thought. These are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ''S' future in a significant manner. Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2023. As per the Chiliz estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost fundamentally is supposed to especially cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.092, the normal pretty least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $0.089 amazingly. Besides, CHZ can by and large arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.100 in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz value expectation July 2023. Chiliz cost really is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.073 to $0.082 in July 2023, while the typical cost of CHZ for the July basically remains around $0.080. Chiliz value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Chiliz explicitly is supposed to explicitly be at around and in every practical sense, least of $0.078, which by and large is very critical. Chiliz cost can basically arrive at and in every practical sense, limit of $0.085, with the sort of typical cost of $0.082 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz value conjecture September 2023. The normal cost of Chiliz, CHZ, could in every way that really matters go to $0.085 toward the finish of September 2023 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ could explicitly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.089, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.081, which truly is genuinely huge. Chiliz value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Chiliz certainly is supposed to for the most part be at around a by and large least of $0.085 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost can arrive at and in every way that really matters, limit of $0.093, with the extremely normal cost of $0.088 in United States dollars, or so they for the most part thought. Chiliz value estimate November 2023. The normal cost of Chiliz, CHZ, could truly go to $0.091 toward the finish of November 2023. CHZ could especially be exchanging around an essentially most extreme worth of $0.096, with the very least expected cost of $0.088. Truly further appearance how Chiliz cost can really arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.085, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.082 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz, CHZ, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Chiliz in every practical sense is basically anticipated to generally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.092, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.100 and an in every way that really matters, least of $0.089. So this generally makes Chiliz, CHZ, truly positioning at 73 in the cryptographic money market, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Chiliz genuinely passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been especially diminished by 0.37% in its truly current worth, showing the way that Chiliz cost can especially arrive at a buy and large limit of $0.093, with the typical cost of $0.088 in United States dollars, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we sort of think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap especially is additionally down, which truly is genuinely huge. Chiliz by and large is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which basically is very huge. The CHZ sort of is down to nearly 4.75% in the truly most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past not very many days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for certainly yet, we don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment, which certainly is genuinely huge. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ really diminished by 44.526%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.062 from its truly current worth, showing how in the event that we basically look at the sort of current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, which essentially is genuinely huge. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a sort of good, truly purchase a potential open door for kind of speedy venture. So Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023, as per the Chiliz gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost basically is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of $0.092, the normal extremely least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to sort of be $0.089, which truly is very huge. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 43.72%. And the cost really coursed from a by and large least truly normal cost of 13 cents to most extreme truly normal cost of 14 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz is somewhere near 25.79% with the genuinely greatest typical cost of the coin, especially was around 11 cents, and the truly least essentially normal cost of for the most part was around 11 cents in sort of beyond 4 months. Or so they certainly thought. Chiliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will fundamentally be Chiliz exceptionally worth in 2023, which truly is very huge. The CHZ cost certainly is determined to arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0.100 within every way that really matters, least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023, demonstrating the way that Chiliz cost can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.085, with the especially normal cost of $0.082 in United States dollars.